Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Buds Nord 2. In this video I'll show you the buttons controls. Firstly, let's take out the earbuds from the charging case. And here we've got these two touch panels. Enter Hey Melody app. And now go to Earbud Controls and View Tutorial. Wear your earbuds. And now press once on each earbud to play or pause. Press again to resume. Double tap to play next track and to switch between noise mode controls, press and hold. Press and hold again to switch once more. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.